Hola, bienvenido a mi cocina. Today I'm making churros. You'll need 1 cup of milk, 1/3 and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and dulce de leche. First, you turn it on. Then add your milk, butter, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Once it's smooth, pop in some eggs. Now that your dough looks perfect, get one of these bags that has that thing on it. And you're just gonna roll it out. Get a nice spoon. Ta-da! Once your bag is filled, just squeeze it. Well, now that your churros are a delicious shade of poo, and your hands are burned in 3 different places, you're almost done. You're going to take your 1/3 cup of sugar, just pour it on a plate. Then you're going to take your 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, pop that right on. Just mix together the two until they're the shade of what your churros should have been. Just roll them. Yeah, just roll them. And ignore the sweltering pain in your fingers. Your churros are sugared and cinnamon and burnt and ready to go. Now you get your bowl of dulce de leche and you taste test. I did it. Yeah, these are good. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. That hurt. See you next time.